Introduction and disclaimer. This video shows all devices in a non-production environment. The devices, in most cases, are off or are fully unplugged from any external power source in order to clearly show the removal and replacement procedures and other aspects of the devices. The instructions in this video are current as of September 2014. Please consult the product manuals for the latest updates and instructions. Before watching this video, you should have already watched the caveats, disclaimers, and warnings video for required information. Before performing any maintenance, you will need to locate and identify the unit with the failed component. If necessary, have the customer take you to the unit with the failed component. If the work order provides an appliance serial number, verify that the serial number on the work order matches the serial number on the appliance. The serial number is an SYM number that is printed on a label located on the vertical post in the middle of the rear panel of the appliance. Before you can replace one of the disk drives that reside in the 5330 appliance compute node, you have to remove the front bezel of the appliance to gain access to the disks. The bezel is friction fit. To remove the bezel, simply grasp the bezel on the left side and remove the bezel by rotating the front bezel out of the way from the appliance to release it. The 3 TB disk drives in the NetBackup 5330 appliance include 2 operating system disks, one each in slot 0 and slot 1. These 2 disks make up volume 0, which is a RAID 1 volume containing both the operating system and the NetBackup application. Slot 2 contains a hot spare disk. Slot 3 and slot 4 make up volume 1, which is a RAID 1 volume containing the swap file system for the operating system. Slot 5 contains another hot spare drive. Both of the hot spares can be used by either volume. Slots 6 and 7 contain drives that are reserved for future use. The remaining slots contain blank carriers. This repair can be accomplished with the appliance installed in the rack. Caution: you must complete the hard drive disk swap within 3 minutes. Leaving the disk drive slot open for longer than 3 minutes can result in the appliance overheating and cause other components to fail. Note: if the appliance has attached storage shelves, these do not need to be powered down while the appliance is being serviced. Each of the 5330 appliance drives located in the front panel has 2 LEDs along the left edge near the drive release latch. The top LED indicates the drive status. The bottom LED indicates drive activity. After confirming with the customer which drive is faulty, make sure that the drive status LED is amber. The drive status LED must be solid amber before you remove a drive from the appliance. Data loss and corruption can occur when the drive is disconnected inappropriately. If the drive status LED is off, the drive is working properly. If the LED is blinking amber, the disk drive is in the process of rebuilding and must not be disturbed. Once the faulty drive is located, unlock and open the green handle on the drive cover to disengage the drive from the slot. Do not remove the drive completely from the slot. You should wait 15 to 30 seconds to allow the drive to spin down before completely pulling the drive from the drive slot. Place the drive in an ESD protective bag. To install the new disk drive, first remove the new disk drive from the electrostatic protective wrapping. With the lever open, insert the hard disk drive assembly into the chassis. Push in the lever to lock it into place. Make sure that the disk drive cover is flush with the front panel. The drive activity LED turns green when the connection is good. After a short period, the drive status LED will start blinking amber to indicate that the rebuild is in progress. Now that you have completed the replacement of the component, contact the customer and confirm that they are satisfied with the repair. After completing the hardware replacement procedures, Symantec recommends that you do the following: remove all boxes and shipping containers from the installation area, recycle materials as much as possible, and return any equipment or tools as needed.